How to subscribe to someone on Kick application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you wish to subscribe someone on Kick, here is how you can do it. First of all, head over to Play Store or App Store to update the app to latest version. Once that is done, launch the application and log in. If you do not have the account yet, you can create a new one using your Google account. Once that you have provided your credentials to get logged in, you will land to this page. Now you can either use the search bar or scroll to find the account that you want to subscribe. Once you have found the channel, you will land to this page again. As you can see, there is a follow button with a heart icon and next to it is a gift section. Tap on this gift box to subscribe. Tapping on it, you will see different options which is gifting subscribers such as 1 subscriber, 5 subscribers and more. If you only want to subscribe it, tap on gift 1 subscribers and you will have to now add the payment details. As you can see, you'll have to add your credit or debit card for the payment. Tap on it and continue with the procedure. And once that is done, you should be able to subscribe it. That's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.